So here's the app called Permission Sleep by CR. Take back control of your data, and let's just do a quick overview how it works and how to use it and why this app is suddenly, getting in the top charts. First of all, I think this app is only available on iOS. I'm not sure about Android. I tried to search on Google Play Store, but seems it's not there yet. Maybe it's already available, but yeah. The idea is that this is like the app which tries to take back control of your data. If you're using to get a lot of apps as I do, you just sign up, for example, with Apple Everywhere, and then you just discover that actually, you have accounts on hundreds of apps. You forget to delete some accounts on some apps, even if you don't use them at all. Like there are a lot of your data in those apps, and then some of these apps can be nice, but some of them can just resell your data and just earn some additional revenue. So that's why this app is kind of handy. It's no secret that companies are collecting, buying, and selling data about us. Swipe through companies and start taking action. It will show you what data companies collect so you can set boundaries and regain control. Will act as your agent and demand the removal of your data or request is not to be sold for profit behind your back. So you can do things like you can just tell companies to stop selling your data. We'll file a request on your behalf, ordering companies to stop selling your personal information. You can also delete your data with a tap. When it's time to delete your data from a company's database, you can just create a request. So that's, I think, the most basic understandable feature of this app. Like I will show you later, if you created an account on some app, you can just request to delete that account from this app. And you don't need, to reinstall some old app, remember your login details, log back in, find how to delete your account. Nope, you can just easily delete your account from this app. And then you can just save time with auto requests. We'll continuously reach out to dozens of companies that broker your data and tell them to stop. And then this app was created by Consumer Reports app, which is like another app, which is basically just like a review website for different products. But you can see again, see what data companies collect, manage your data from companies with a tab. You can send requests, different request type, do not sell my data or delete my account. And then you can just submit your request via this app, view and update progress, keep track of your requests. And then you can see the status. So let's just open the app. And then first of all, you will need to create an account. As I understand, I would suggest you to create an account with the email or Google account you're using the most to sign up to the apps. Like, if you're using specific, like I'm using usually like Apple account to sign up to apps on mobile. And then, I just signed up with the same Apple account here. And then I can see that it's just like Tinder. And I see all the apps I installed with this Apple ID. Like all these like apps, some of those I don't even use anymore. I don't even remember why I installed them. Okay, Clubhouse, like Academia. So here you can just, for example, go and see like a research which site is those or what kind of app is it. Maybe you then just remember, like, do you want to keep your data there? Do you trust them? Do you want to delete it? So then you can see like okay, this company collects the following data about me. So there are different types of data like identifiers. Then it also collects data about your jobs and education, communication, then data about your purchases, then your social life, then also online tracking, cookies, ISP, your location, and other. So all of the data is collected in that website. So as you can see, so that's basically that. It's pretty cool. And you can just see that via this website. And then you're like, hey, I don't want to see that like this company potentially can resell this data to some other vendors, and then it can be used in some, additional advertisement and stuff like that. So then what you can do, you can submit a request. So you can then just tap, okay, you have an account with this company, and there are a few types of requests. As you see in a screenshot, you can just request to do not sell your data, or you can also request just to delete your account. And then, as you see here, you will not have access to your account after the request is processed. And then I just can send this request, and then you need to provide your legal name, but you only need to do this once, as I understand. Then you need to provide your phone number. I guess it's only US phone number at the moment, which you can use. And then all the basically details, like your private details you provide there. And then, they will be used for that. So that's basically the idea. And then that's how you send your request. And then you will see all the requests here, and then you will see completed ones. You're working on something new, so there's auto requests, and then again you will need to fill out the form. But that's quite handy. Then there are something like hidden companies. But I really like that this app kind of makes it look quite simple, that you can just seems like a complicated topic, but you just kind of swipe in like on Tinder, and then you can just manage all of these requests. I personally have a lot of apps installed, and this app can be quite helpful. However, I think that maybe at the moment it's only available in US. I'm not sure if in all US states or just some of those. And then, basically also this app is kind of like a non-profit. So then also you can see a data dashboard. You can see how many emails they handled, how many community requests they had, your data dashboard, your account. By the way, of course, you can also delete your account from this app in the bottom, just also from this app. You can also then suggest companies. Your feedback helps us to decide, and then maybe they didn't identify some companies, so you can also suggest them. Then there is some kind of feedback. You can contact support, and then there is FAQ, which you can just read here. So for now, this app is kind of free, so use this opportunity. You can read all of the details here. So that's basically it. So hope this quick overview was helpful, and thanks for watching.